everybody. Today is Wednesday, March 20th, and today is Michigan's statewide tornado siren test for Severe Weather Awareness Week. Today's siren brings us to Auburn Hills, Michigan at Rogers Elementary School, where we're going to see this Federal Signal 2001 sound off here in a few minutes to conduct Michigan's annual statewide tornado siren test. So with that being said, let's just get right to the test. Current time is 12:57 in the afternoon, so we got about 3 minutes, but the siren's going to be going off here real soon for the test. So we'll be right back. Okay, that is going to conclude the Severe Weather Awareness Week Michigan statewide tornado siren test here on Wednesday, March 20th at 1 p.m. Right on time. The start of that siren right up at 1 p.m. And the test has just concluded. So I hope you guys enjoyed that test. 2001 Federal Signal tornado siren here in Auburn Hills, Michigan at Rogers Elementary School. Thank you guys for watching, and we'll see you guys next month for another tornado siren test. That'll be it for now. Goodbye.